Do you know, we all are having different perceptions, and surprisingly, whatever product we are using on a daily basis or maybe occasionally, that suit to our perceptions. Now question arises, how any manufacturer or company come to know about our perceptions? Friends, myself Dhwanil Pandit welcome you all with one more amazing topic. And friends, the significant tool to understand consumers' perceptions is known as market survey. And let's discuss about market survey, and the learning outcome of market survey is we will understand the concept of market survey. Why do we need to conduct market survey? So we'll try to understand the need of market survey, as well as we will go through the methods of conducting the market survey. So these are the basic learning outcomes on which we are going to focus today. Now let's start with the concept of market survey. As you can see on your screen, the first point is, in the modern competitive business world, it is quite essential and inevitable to know certain basic questions such as what to produce, how much to produce, where to deliver, and on what terms to deliver. Even it is very necessary to understand the marketing environment. So friends, if you want to know the answer of above all the questions, what to produce, how to produce, where to deliver, and on what terms to deliver, as well as about the marketing environment, the solution is market survey. Yes friends, the answer of all the above question, the solution is market survey. Now if we'll move further, it is also a process or ex ante activity to digging out the relevant information from consumers, from customers, relevant information about market. So market survey is one of the process or activity to digging out the relevant information. And in many cases, market survey is also known as demand forecasting. Yes friends, market survey is also known as demand forecasting. Let's move further. And to get into the depth of market survey, let's try to understand the need of market survey. With the first point, as you can see on your screen, the total demand of the market or total demand of any product is not readily available with any manufacturer. Yes friends, if any product having a demand, total demand in the market, any kind of manufacturer will be able to fulfill that demand at a stretch. Now what supposed to do? We supposed to go to understand the requirement of consumer, requirement of customers. So we need to contact the customers or consumers, present consumers as well as prospective consumers, and we need to understand the requirement. Now that process can be possible through market survey. So through market survey we can understand the need of consumers, the present consumers as well as prospective consumers. Now as you can see on your screen, there is lots of demand in the market for different products as well as services. Now total demand is shared amongst the competitors. So market is full of competitors, and total demand of any product is shared amongst the competitor. So if we want to know the market share or present market share of any competitor, we can do that through market survey. So through market survey we can understand the market share of any particular product for any competitor. Now if you can see one more point on your screen, consumers' tastes and preferences are keep changing over the period of time. So over the period of time span, consumers' taste, even preferences, or we can say choice, are keep changing. Now to understand the mood of consumer, to understand the preferences of consumer, the market survey is quite important. So through market survey we can able to understand, we can able to know the taste and preferences of consumer, which changes over the period of time. If you can see one more point on your screen, to change the modification in the existing product, to bring certain different changes in the existing product or services in the market, to change the marketing strategies for any product or services, market survey is quite essential. So through market survey we can apply some changes in the existing product, as well as to take an initiative for new product development. You can see market survey is an important part. So through market survey we can go for new product development. Now friends, to achieve certain kind of needs, it is essential to conduct the market survey, and for the same let's look upon the several methods to conduct the market survey. Now as you can see on your screen, there are mainly two types of the methods or process to conduct the market survey. The first one is primary survey and the second one is secondary survey. Now in the case of primary survey, normally primary market survey method is conducted by the business enterprise. So itself business organization or enterprise will going to conduct the market survey. Now the main point is primary market survey method is quite costly and much more time consuming, whereas one more method is secondary market survey method. Now secondary market survey method is normally conducted by the different organizations like government, research institutes, consultants and etc. So primary market survey is normally conducted by business enterprise itself, by the organization, whereas in the case of secondary survey, market survey is normally conducted by the third party agencies, by some other organization. So enterprise or business enterprise will hire some other party or will contact some other organization for the purpose of market survey. Now if you'll understand, the secondary survey method is less time consuming, comparatively less costly, and it is readily available. So the time consumption of market survey is quite less. But of course some changes or some adjustments are required to be carried out as per the product, even as per the organization. Now again, primary market survey having the two different subtypes. Let's look upon that two subtypes. As you can see on your screen, the first one is qualitative method and the next one is quantitative method. If you'll understand the qualitative method, there are few subtypes of it. As you can see the list on your screen, the first one is surveys of buyer's intention. How to understand the intention of buyer, that known as a survey of buyer's intentions. The next method is sales force analysis. One more qualitative method is expert opinion, or it is also known as Delphi method. And the last method of qualitative approach is market taste method. So with the help of these four methods we can conduct the qualitative market survey, whereas the one more subtype of primary market survey is quantitative method. In the list of quantitative method, the first type is time series analysis, and the one more type of quantitative method is statistical demand analysis. So with the help of these two methods we can conduct the quantitative market survey. Friends, if you want to understand and learn more about this all type of methods, you can mention in comment box. So let's try to summarize today's topic of market survey. As you can see and we understood that market survey is one of the formal study to get the information about market. So it is like a formal study to get the information about all the market, or we can say marketing environment. Now, market survey or this kind of study which normally focus on the consumer's perception. So if you want to understand the consumer's perceptions about the needs and wants of the consumer, market survey is quite important study. So through market survey, we are able to understand the consumer's perceptions. One more point, one more takeaway. As you can see, demand forecasting or market survey is possible by connecting with the consumers. Either it can be a direct way or indirect way. So if we want to do a market survey, we're supposed to connect with the consumers, and by connecting with the consumers we can able to know and understand the perceptions of the consumers. That can be possible by direct approach or maybe indirect approach. Now, market survey can be possible through basic 4 steps. So from the list we understood that market survey is quite essential, and market survey is possible with the basic 4 steps. The first one is, and that you can see, collecting, tabulating, analysis and evaluation of data. So yes friends, market survey is possible with the help of 3-4 basic steps. First, we are supposed to collect the data, then we have to tabulate the data, then we are supposed to analyze the data. We are supposed to go for the analysis of the data which we have collected and tabulated. And the last one is we can evaluate the data about the consumer's perceptions. And by following all these 4 steps, we will be able to get the valuable information about the market. This is the significant tool which provide us the valuable information about the consumer's perceptions. So friends, now I would like to share the questions related to market survey. And to attempt questions, you can kindly check out the link given in the description. I hope today's video will help you out to conduct the market survey for your own enterprise or for your own business organization. And that will help you out to understand the perception and to understand the need and wants of the consumers. Stay connected friends. Thank you very much and have a great day.